Hello, Coach Paul.
Hi, good morning.
Ano yung buhay mo dati bilang isang international seaman?
Buhay ko dati before this online opportunity.
Yes.
Yung 6 months contract, 8 months contract. Pinakamahaba ko na kontrata is 1 year. Tapos, work namin is minimum 12 hours a day. So, yun yung duty namin.
Yun yung
Nasa barko lang.
nasa barko lang. And then, paano ka naging digital business owner knowing that you have your full-time work as a full-time international seaman?
Nag-start ako dito sa online opportunity na to way back June 2020. Dahil sa kay Mentor Miligin, yung wife ko.
Paano yung transition, Coach Paul, na nasa barko ka dati at ngayon na nasa bahay ka na ginagawa yung negosyo full time?
Actually, yung perks ng opportunity na to is nakikita mo yung mga kids mo ba na lumalaki, nakikita mo yung milestone nila, at the same time, pwede mong hatawin yung opportunity. So, isa yun sa perks. At syempre, wala na yung alon, di ba? Hindi ka na nagsusuko.